والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد النبي العربي الأمي الأمين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. All praises due to Allah, peace and blessings be upon the messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Now, alhamdulillah, in Salat al-Fajr, we finished Surah Yunus, chapter number 10. And inshallah, in Salat al-Isha, we start Surah Hud, chapter number 11. Alhamdulillah, if you follow the WhatsApp group or the Facebook page, you will find at least 1 week ahead. If you want to follow us, if you want to recite this verse before coming to Salah, inshallah it will help you a lot. So I find it a good opportunity to pass this short advice to you that how can we deal with the Qur'an? In other words, what is our duty towards this Qur'an? In fact, we have 5 ways, 5 actions we have to do when we are thinking about this noble book, the Qur'an al-Azim. The first one is listening. And in fact, you have to do these ways in this sequence. Listening the Qur'an is one of the very important steps so that you can, inshallah, recite it very well, you can improve your reciting, and you can also get to memorize a lot of portions and a lot of parts in the Qur'an. So listening is a very important key. That's why anyone comes to follow with me the Qur'an, meaning come to private class to memorize the Qur'an or even to recite the Qur'an, to learn how to recite the Qur'an, the first step I always advise and recommend is to listen. So listening to the Qur'an is the first step. And then reciting. Even if while you are listening, you can listen to one verse and then to recite it. Listening and reciting. And reciting, in fact, needs a lot of rules in Ahkam al-Tajweed. Alhamdulillah, on Thursdays, as you see, as you, mashallah, a lot of you are coming to this class of Tajweed. On Thursdays, we study these rules gradually, step by step. Inshallah, by this time, you will come to recite the Qur'an very well, inshallah, and your recitation will be improved. So, the first step is to listen to the Qur'an, and then to recite, to learn how to read and how to recite the Qur'an, and then to try to memorize. You don't have to memorize the whole Qur'an. But, you know, if you try, if you put your aim, your purpose is to memorize the whole Qur'an, Allah will help you. Just you have to exert much effort. So to memorize, usually we start with short surahs, like Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, Surah Al-Nas, Surah Al-Kafirun, Surah Al-Nasr, and so on, in Juz' as a whole. And then you start to memorize more and more. Inshallah, Allah will help you to do that. So listening, reciting, and then memorizing as much as you can, and then to pondering about the Qur'an, pondering about the Qur'an, ta'ammul, at-tafakkur. How can we get to this point? In fact, if you don't know the Arabic language, you can read and to understand the meaning of the Qur'an in your own language, whether it is English or whatever. You can, the portion of the page you are reading, the page you are trying to memorize, to come to know about the meaning of this verse in your own language, that you will start to ponder, you will start to understand. And the number 5, and it is the very important one, and in fact this one concludes the whole points, is to practice what you know about the Qur'an, is to practice the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because the Qur'an in fact includes the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He prohibited us to do anything, it's in the Qur'an. So when you are listening, reciting, memorizing, pondering, and then you will come to practice and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you. So keep these 5. Usually we say that we are at the first of some year, we are now at the first of 2019, right? So some people put an aim to come to this aim, to come to this purpose by the end of the year. So what's your plan? What you plan right now? Say to yourself, I'll try to memorize, I'll try to improve my reciting, I'll try to practice something I usually neglect, or I usually have these shortcomings about it. So again, in order to memorize it, in Arabic first, الاستماع، التلاوة، الحفظ، التأمل، التطبيق. Listening, reciting, memorizing, pondering, practicing. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم.